Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and creating space. Unplug the appliance or flip the breaker to isolate the compressor, safety first. Once done, pull the fridge out so there's 2 to 4 inches behind it. That gap prevents heat buildup. Then remove the rear access panel and clean dust from coils and fan using a brush or vacuum. Dust acts like insulation. Make sure to wear gloves and a mask. Small particles circulate and reduce heat transfer, so clear them thoroughly before proceeding. Now inspect moving parts and optimize cooling. Turn the fan by hand to feel for roughness or wobble. A smooth spin signals healthy bearings. Once done, apply 1 or 2 drops of light machine oil to the motor bearings only if the manual allows, because modern sealed motors don't require oil. Make sure the fan blades are clean and aligned. Bent blades cut airflow. If noise, wobble, or low RPM persists, replace the fan assembly. A weak fan means the compressor runs hotter and longer. Finish with ventilation and a key troubleshooting step. Restore the fridge a couple inches from the wall and confirm door gasket seal. Leaks let warm air in and force longer compressor runtime. Once done, control ambient temperature. Avoid placing the unit in rooms below 50 degrees or above 90 degrees, which stresses the compressor. Finally, if the compressor remains hot despite good airflow and a healthy fan, test the start relay and overload. Make sure power matches unit rating. If unsure,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.